Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Dugyala and our topic for today is enhancing human resource management through interactive Tableau dashboard visualization. So our motivation behind choosing this topic is effective workforce management is vital for organization success. Yet traditional HR approaches fail to provide actionable insights. This project focuses on leveraging Tableau dashboards to transform raw HR data into meaningful visualizations, enabling HR teams to maintain informed decisions, enhanced employee satisfaction, and drive strategic growth. So, by focusing on key metrics like attrition rates and performance analysis, the dashboard provides HR teams with actionable insights to enhance decision making. The goal is to optimize their strategies, retain top talent, and drive sustainable growth. So, when we first met, me and Varshita discussed on how to approach the topic, and then we decided that Varshita will be doing the implementation part of the visualization, and then I will be the one who will be critiquing that. So now Varshita will take over, and then she'll take us through the implementation part. Go ahead, Varshita.
Hello everyone, this is Vashita Naganti. Now I'll be sharing my screen to show the phases which we have done in the Tableau. Here comes. Can you see my screen, Sumit?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, first we have done the sheets. As you can see here, this is the age distribution by the job role. We have different job roles here, and according to that, we have different distinct count of employee numbers. And the next sheet is satisfaction versus training the role. Here, employee satisfaction impact on the number of training sessions attended across the job roles. Here we have two different types of charts, like one is bar chart and the line chart for the differentiation. And next comes attrition by department and their satisfaction. Employee attrition variation across different departments based on the job satisfaction. You can see the department as sales, job satisfaction as 3, and the distinct count of employees as 27. On the right hand side, you can see the job satisfaction being given in different colors of the green. The reason for which I chose green is because it is easily identified even by the color blindness people. That's the reason I have choose the green palette. Next comes the job role by department and tenure. It shows us the department and the job role and its distinct count of employee numbers. Next comes job involvement that affects on the employee's performance rating across the different marital status. As you can see here, there are three different types of marital status: divorced, married, and single. We can see them here. These are the things which we have taken for based on their job roles. And next comes the attrition. Here we have taken a pie chart for easy distinguishable, because there are only two options like yes or no, which is easy for user to understand it easily, and even for HR too. Yeah.
Yeah, so once this part is done, I found that there is lack of clarity in certain things, like the choice of charts that were chosen. For example, job involvement versus performance. So we are not able to exactly see the dots and make out like what is happening here. So I suggested her to change the charts so that the visualization can be more effective. And then also we also discussed on what all need to be done for the dashboard and what all need to be included to make its performance better. So yeah, go ahead, Vashita.
So
And
after
also,
getting those.
sorry about that, Vashita. Sorry to cut that. And also, we also started to work on paper by this part. So I started to work on the paper and started to do that normal basic stuff like introduction, abstract, and etc. So we will include everything in the zip file when we upload it. Yeah. Thank you, Vashita. Sorry about that. Go ahead.
Okay. And then in the second phase, as said by the critic, I have changed the sheets of the line into the circle sheet into a line chart, and then the job roles to a circle chart, so that it makes the HR to find out easily regarding the distinct number of employees they are using and their job roles. And in this phase, I have also started creating a dashboard with total number of employees and the attrition chart and taken by the attrition by each department and their roles, and then comes the job roles and the description and the performance and engagement. So these all were given for the easy. These all things will make HR things easy. So if you click here, you can see like everything was excluded. We can only see CF age band as 25 to 34 and the job role as sales executive and distinct count of employee numbers as 144. As you can see here, department, like everywhere you can see. If you click on something, you can see the things over there, and here no employees and the S employees, and here the changes you can see in the charts, like they will keep on changing. If you click on something and you can change, that has been distributed all across the dashboard, which makes the HR easier to know the metrics of the dashboard. Now coming to
Yeah.
Sumit.
So once this part is done, so I felt like there are certain metrics which were missed, like employee tenure and work satisfaction and promotion rates. So I did ask her to include those sheets too for the next iteration. And then also I found like the color palettes might can be changed because the green and the orange were not that appealing. And then also we discussed on prioritization of actionable high level insights over complex details. So I did give critique on these topics, and then Vaishta did make the changes, and we also made some progress on making the paper on overleaf too. Yeah, go ahead, Vaishta.
So, uh, taking the inputs from the critic, and I have also added few more charts. I thought those might be useful for HR later on, but I'm not incorporating them in the human resource dashboard because it might cause the dashboard look more messier rather than um like unimportant things will be more rather than the important things. So there are few sheets which I have added, like this one, daily rate by overtime. Like here it says like the floor and its overtime and the count of employees. Along with that, I have also added the salaries of the education field and also the number of years they have spent, and also the average income across the marital status and the education level, just in case if the HR wants to know how many are married, like how their progress have been affecting, depending on their marital situation, so that they can easily get onto this sheet and they can know it. And as Sumit said, I have done the changes for the colors and those all. Now we can see it's pretty much in green color palette and dark background, which makes HR to easily find out what was happening and easily figure out if we click here, he can easily see the things. These are all the additional things which we have done so that we can easily see, understand the how human resource dashboard will go on. This pretty much gives the data metrics which we have, and um this
Yeah,
dashboard is mainly used for human resources in IT industry and those all, for the HRs who can easily go through their work by analyzing the situation in the company. This is the main reason why we have um chose this project. Yeah, continue, Sumit.
yeah. So we, as of now, when we finally met, we did feel like we are at a stage where we can go ahead and do a presentation. So we were satisfied with what we have done, and now I, I will share the screen. And we were also done with our. I then included all the visualizations in our overleaf, and then completed the paper. And then also I made a document which we are going to share. This is the overleaf link which will direct you to the overleaf work which we have done. And then also the YouTube link will for this video will be posted here. And these are the references which we actually tapped into to take which these helped us in doing the our project. So I did mention a few of them in the MLA format here. So yeah, that's it from us, and thank you.
Thank you so much.